We got a little package in the mail. Let's get it opened up. Alright, well I sent away for this about 2 months ago, and no, it's not a steak. It have something to do with the Henry, and yes, the Henry is clear, but this is from gunstockcover.com, and it's not a paid video. I paid for this myself, and I waited the 2 months to get what's in this bag. It comes with a very nicely leather-bound instruction set, a nice little note from him, handwritten note on here, just nice, and a whole bunch of cards that you can share with your friends. I'm not really sure how this thing is knotted up. Let's see if we can't take it apart here. Nice little leather flourish there. And this is the Artemis Gordon gunstock cover. He's got a whole bunch on there. I suggest you go visit his site. I'll put it somewhere in the screen, and maybe I'll get a screenshot from it. But it does come, although I do already have a lever guard, it does come with a lever guard attached right to the gun stocks. Nice little extra that he gives you, and feels like everything is pre-oiled. He suggests mink oil for that. The other thing he suggests is that if you want to adjust the pull a little bit, and probably if you've got a metal butt plate, you can put some closed cell foam back there to move this back and forth on the rig and to give you a little bit of extra cushion. But I've got that, and that's actually what I'm trying to cover up with this thing. Everything's all pre-punched. It's nicely tanned. It's got a little spot on the back there for kind of like a rustic look to it. But well made. It's very thick leather. Let's get her put on. Let's give it a shot here. It's more of in a vice or a two-person job, but I'm gonna give it a shot here myself. One of the things I'm going to try to do, just kind of just throwing a regular boot lace in here. I'd like to do experiment with a couple of different lace patterns to see what looks the best. Maybe like a ladder, military boot ladder lace, something like that. just like lacing your boots up. The Latigo is nicely pointed, so you can get it into the lace holes. And it is very strong material, so you can reef on it pretty good. You don't want that buttstock cover move around on you when you're out shooting. Alright, there she is. I'm not going to tie it off and put a square knot in here at the end, or some kind of fancy knot if you want to, or even get yourself a piece of turquoise or something and make a choker out of it, but I'm not going to do that yet. Like I said, I'm going to experiment with the lacing on it, see what looks the best, but did this for your benefit. So I'm going to go get some rounds and stick them in there, show you what it looks like. That's what she looks like all put together. Looks nice. These are a little bit tight, but that's kind of the way you want it. And let them break in a little bit. But allows for 6 rounds across. And this is a 10-round gun, but that's more for looks than anything else. But fits real nice. Looks real good. Artemis Gordon by gunstockcover.com. Very good quality, recommended if you got a lever gun. Check out his site. He's got more stuff than just buckstock covers. He's got 4-end covers, different setups, anything from, I think this was $90 to up in the 300s. He's got gun scabbards for your saddle, that kind of stuff. And like I said, check out the site even if you don't own a lever gun. Kind of neat craftsmanship to go check out. So appreciate you watching. Please comment, subscribe, like, and share. Adios. So bonus section, I am going to put the leather wrap on, see how it looks. I'm taking off the paracord type leather. I put some Latigo on there earlier, and just have something on there. But we'll pop this off and come right back to you. So John, the proprietor of gunstockcover.com, was very easy to deal with. It was mostly an email transaction. I even changed, the day after I changed the type of cover I wanted, and he was very accommodating. He even sent me a credit because it was a little bit less than the one I was looking at. One I was looking at had a sling. I didn't really necessarily want the sling, and this one was a little bit more appealing to me, so he made the swap and actually credited me back the money. The only thing he asks is that you don't bug him with phone calls. He didn't really put it that way, but I did. Through the duration, just wait for it and he'll get it to you. And sure enough, he was probably about a week early, and came in the mail. Oops. Just as he promised, and not a problem with the whole transaction. It's a PayPal deal. You can pay a PayPal or credit card. So I may make another run at it, but that's it's kind of what what that'll look like. I do have to finish tying it off. I may take another run at relacing it, but that's what she looks like, and probably back on the Latigo for both the front and the rear. I've got some little adornments that'll stick on there that I like, but that's what she looks like. Again, thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, like, and share, and go visit gunstock.com if you've got a leather gun or you just want to see some cool leather work. Adios.